Hi guys, Nick here, and today this is going to be the start of my Loki Season 2 episode reviews. And then, as always with these kind of shows, or movies, I'm going to be giving out my spoiler warning for the show or movie. And for these kinds of things, and I'm going to be doing episode by episode of these Marvel Disney Plus shows and other shows too. And by the end of the series, these are going to be giving my final thoughts, and I'm going to be giving out spoiler warnings at the end of each, at the beginning of each episode review. And also going to be giving the name of the episode too, so, and also show the episode names is in the title of the video, so you guys know which episode it is. And if you've seen the episode, if you see each episode already, make sure not to spoil it in the comments below. And just let people watch that haven't seen the episode yet, and just let them watch the episode for themselves. And for those who haven't seen the first episode of Loki Season 2 yet, make sure to watch it over on Disney Plus first before you come back to watch this episode review, because it will contain spoilers from the actual episode. And if you enjoyed today's episode review, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button first, and then turn on the notification bell. Once you see the bell, and turn on gray, and so you will know that the notification bell is on, so you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. And now it's going to my review of in Loki Season 2 Episode 1 review, and enjoy the review. And we start with Loki Season 2, Episode 1 called Ouroboros, and Loki is being chased by Mobius and the Minuteman, and until he reached a little office area where he first met Casey, and he's pulled through at a different point in time, and we cut back to the other Mobius and B-15, and he looked out the bunches in time, and then we've been called to see the other TVA judges, and in case he went to tell Mobius about Loki, and he just disappeared, and then reappeared, and went still to find Mobius that he knew, and he swept into disappearance again, and he went to a world of a different TVA, and played some messages of Kane Vakonto talking to George Wemsvale, in which what the judges and Mobius and B-15 were talking about, and then Loki came back into the exact same room, but the one that he knew, and then Mobius went to talk to Loki outside, and Loki brought Mobius up to speed about what happened, kind of like what he did with the other Mobius that we've seen at the end of Season 1. And then both went to see a guy named Ouroboros, which movie is called Obi, and they talk about what's happening to Loki, and in which Ouroboros calls time slipping, which is almost similar to the multiverse glitching, but completely different. If Loki keeps time slipping too much, he will be lost to time forever, and he can go to the past in for TVA, which means the Mobius and B-15 that we've seen at the end of season 1 and were the past versions of Mobius and George Rumsfeld, and I mean B-15, and he also met Ouroboros as in the past and told him to make that device to help Mobius and Ouroboros in the future, and we then go to a place where we need to put him out of his little time loop type of thing, and hopefully Mobius won't have his skin peeled off, which when I first heard that, I was like, what? And it was like, say, what? I think that was crazy, and Loki was almost out of time, and he met, I think it was like a future version of Sylvie, which is his alternate self from a different universe, and then he got saved, and then we get to the very first post-credit scene of Loki Season 2 here, which is the present-day Sylvie, went to the 1980s, and went to a McDonald's for whatever a reason to try out all of the McDonald's food, and that concludes the first episode of Loki Season 2. And next week I'm going to be reviewing episode 2, and going to see how Sylvie wound up in the 1980s is to try out McDonald's, and the people in the Minute are going to try to hunt down Sylvie too. And I almost forgot to mention that. And now that will be it for today's Loki Season 2, Season 2 premiere review. Like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming out soon. And this was a crazy season premiere or series premiere that I've seen. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.